Dryopteris expansa. Previously it was considered like a rare species in Lviv Oblast and included in the list of rare species in 2003, but now it's not considered rare anymore in the Oblast. It's considered rare in the Northern Podil region by Vasil on his webpage about the plants of Verkhobush Hills Range. A lot of information about the species I read and you can read on his webpage. I used this material to find these localities, a lot of them. Firstly, it was noticed near Maidan-Holohirs'kyi village in the forest deciduous, and it was identified by Nadia Sechak from Lviv city. Lately, I found a lot of these localities using materials of Vasil and as well just doing my observations. So first it was noticed in 2019 and in 2020, 2021 new localities were noticed for me, like near Khomets village, Khomets land, forest and hill, in Yurechko land, near Ecology village, near Monastirok village. It is a raven ecosystem with other rare species. So really it's not so rare, because a lot of localities it's possible to notice. In the deciduous forests, raven ecosystems with other rare species. Mainly it is Fagus sylvatica forest. Usually it is several individuals nearby each other. It's important to take photos here of all parts of the leaf, like lower part and upper part, but the lower part is more important, and as well the stem completely, roots if it is possible, underneath, from different angles. This species is possible to see in autumn too. Quite large locality was near Derev'yanky village, which I explored in May 2020. Very nice land. It's under the threat of cutting, and a lot of territories really are cut there, with very rich vegetations, because usually they cut the oldest one part of the forest, and specifically nearby the territory of park, just to avoid to include this territory in the future to the National Nature Park. They are very quick to cut nearby everything. These loggers. Actually, Derev'yanky is one of my favorite lands in the forest. There are several houses inside, mostly everything is abandoned. So it was explored during June 2020 again. Some new places with this species in Derev'yanky land, as well another locality is Vosmashi land. It is nearby Khmela village, in the forest nearby the road. There are a lot of these individuals of Dryopteris expansa. Another locality is near Bir village. It is not far away from Cirsium. There are pine forests and mixed forests, mostly planted. Previously it was deciduous forest, of course. There are a lot of these individuals as well. It was explored during autumn period 2020 years, and Monastirok in the next year 2021 during autumn period. Cirsium arvense, here it is a subspecies integrifolium. Quite common subspecies, but usually we don't pay attention for this one. Here it is nearby Zolochiv village. Triglochin palustris. very rare point. First it was noticed near Ecology village in 2012, near the lake, but because of a lot of changes, I'm not sure if it is still existing, this locality. Another time it was seen near the Zolochiv village in the box wetlands, but there could be ploughed already as well. Not sure about this locality as well, if it is still existing. Veronica anagallis-aquatica, common species in the water, in the small rivers, nearby the river, in the wetlands. Here it is in the Verkhobush Reserve.